Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. This is a regular month and not a Boxy Luxe. So if you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a makeup subscription service. You do get some skincare items. It's approximately $22 a month and everything you receive is full size. It is 4 to 5 items. So let's jump in and see what came in this month's box. So inside we got a sample from the Ulta Skin Bar for Elemis for a $10 flash facial. The theme is BoxyCharm Au Naturel. And up top here we have two items. The first item is from Elemis. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So I definitely am intrigued by this. Can't wait to give this a try. I absolutely love doing face masks. The next item says Gaia on it. It says Luxy Gaia. And it says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this packaging. So the packaging is recyclable. And inside there are 3 brushes. So let me lay those brushes out for you guys so you guys can see them up close. Those are the 3 Luxy brushes. One is a foundation paddle brush, and I actually use these for face masks because I use a sponge for doing my makeup. The other 2 are eyeshadow brushes. This is really nice and fluffy for the crease. And then this one I would either use for the lower lash line or the inner corner. So moving on to our next layer of products. We have 2 smaller items here. This is one item I really did not want to get in my box. This is the Appeal Cosmetics eyeliner. Let me see if I go look up the shade. This one is Deep Taupe. I heard people have been using this one as a brow pencil, so I might give that a try. But definitely it was my least favorite item to get in my box this month. I definitely think that the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus outdid the BoxyCharm. You'll probably be seeing my unboxing for the Ipsy tomorrow. So then we have an Alamar Cosmetics item, and I actually got rid of my Alamar Cosmetics blush palette, had no interest in it. But this lip gloss here looks pretty, so I'll definitely give it a try. It is a golden shimmery color. It definitely has pink reflex to it, but the camera is definitely not doing it justice. Let's see if we can focus and pick the color up. We can't. So the color is the Mother of Pearl gloss. Love the packaging on it. Love the shimmering blue aqua top. And then the big popular item in the package this month was a eyeshadow palette from Butter London. So I definitely was happy to receive this. So that is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. Those first 2 neutrals are absolutely gorgeous. There are 4 very neutral colors and a nice blue and green pop of color. I definitely see myself using the first 5 colors the most and definitely look forward to seeing how these perform. So that is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.